So the other day I was working on the lathe, had it on, it was spinning, and I bumped it into neutral while it was spinning, which is something you don't want to do because it's electronical. It's not actually a mechanical thing. So I had no idea what it was. I did some playing around and I figured it out. This little black thing here, that is the fuse. So if you take a screwdriver, push down and twist, and it comes up. If you grab it, fuse comes out with it. Now in our case, this fuse was black, and you can easily tell if the fuse is burnt out. You can look to see if the wire is gone, and sure enough, the fuse was burnt out. I put a new one in, put this right back in like that, and put this back in the lathe, turned it on, and it worked great. So you want to match it with the old fuse, and this is a 1.6 amp fuse. So we'll go ahead and put this back in there, and it works great. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.